Deciphering the meaning of tricking. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive deep into the meaning of the phrase, tricking. It's a versatile word in the English language, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of its various uses and contexts. Tricking primarily refers to the act of deceiving someone or making someone believe something that isn't true. It's often used in contexts where someone is being misled or fooled. For example, he was tricking her into thinking he had done all the work. Don't believe him, he's just tricking you. There are a few expressions related to the term tricking. 1. Trick into, persuading someone to do something through deception. 2. She tricked him into signing the document. 3. Play tricks on, to deceive or play a joke on. 4. My mind is playing tricks on me. I thought I saw something move. 5. Turn a trick. This can mean to perform a task, but be cautious as it can have negative connotations in some contexts. Beyond deception, tricking can also be used in a playful or casual manner. For instance, during Halloween, children go trick-or-treating, which has less to do with deceit and more to do with fun and tradition. In some cultures, there's also the art of tricking in sports or stunts, where it implies doing tricks, flips, or impressive feats. Understanding how a word is commonly used can be very helpful. Here are a few examples of tricking in daily conversations. 1. Are you tricking me, or is that the real price? 2. Kids love tricking their friends on April Fool's Day. 3. She's so good at tricking. Have you seen her latest skateboard flips? There you have it. From deception to fun activities, the term tricking has various nuances in the English language. We hope this video sheds light on its different contexts and helps you use it confidently in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.